Hello, good morning. Luke Jones, Remax, New Orleans Properties. I'm here with Brad Tedesco with Waterscapes, Pools, and Spas. And he's here. Kay, you're behind the camera. He's your neighbor, a friend of yours. He came out today on your beautiful home inspection, and he inspects pools. He builds pools, maintains pools. Third generation pool builder. Brad, it's a pleasure meeting you. Share with a little bit about your business.
We specialize in new construction, fire pit areas, outdoor kitchen areas. Those are becoming real big right now.
Yeah.
But we do anything from cleaning them to renovating them. Anything you can do to a pool, we fill them in if you don't want it anymore.
All right.
Anything
Get
you
rid
want
of
to
it.
do. Yep.
Awesome. Well, just in a few minutes meeting with Brad and talking with him, he's a straight shooter. He has an awesome report full of pictures and narrative. He's got how many years experience?
I'm 39, but I was born into it.
He was born into it. He's a third generation. His grandfather, his father, and now Brad.
Yep.
And man, Brad, it's been great meeting you. He's very honest, does a great report, and when you need a home inspection and has a pool, call Brad Tedesco with Waterscapes. He can come out, make sure that your pool is good to go. Thank you.